Tiles in exterior design, home decor inspiration. Home decor channel opening. Welcome to our Home Decor Inspiration channel, where we explore ideas that transform houses into beautiful, comfortable, and lasting homes. On this channel, we focus on thoughtful design choices that improve both appearance and everyday living. In today's video, we are diving into tiles in exterior design, a design element that quietly shapes how a home looks, feels, and ages over time. Exterior tiles are not just decorative finishes, they are protective layers, visual storytellers, and long-term investments. Whether your home is modern, contemporary, or timeless in style, tiles play a powerful role. Color selection and exterior harmony. Color plays a critical role in how exterior tiles influence the overall mood of a home. Neutral colors like beige, sand, gray, cream, and earth tones create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. These shades age gracefully and blend well with natural surroundings. Darker tiles can be used for contrast, especially around entrances or feature walls, while lighter tiles help reflect heat and brighten the exterior. The key is harmony. Tiles should complement the roof, windows, doors, and landscape rather than compete with them. Feature walls and entrance design. One of the most effective ways to use exterior tiles is on feature walls. A tiled wall near the main entrance, porch, or facade instantly draws attention and creates a strong first impression. Feature tiles help guide the eye and give the house a clear identity. Even a small tiled section can make the entire exterior feel intentional and well-designed, especially when balanced with simpler wall finishes. Climate-responsive tile choices. Exterior tile selection must always consider climate. In warm and sunny regions, matte finish tiles reduce glare and absorb less heat. Breathable and low absorption tiles help manage moisture and temperature changes. Textured and slip-resistant tiles are also important for outdoor areas like verandas and pathways. Choosing climate-appropriate tiles ensures durability, comfort, and safety while reducing maintenance over time. Combining tiles with other materials. Exterior tiles are most effective when combined with other materials such as concrete, wood, metal, or glass. This combination creates contrast and richness in design. For example, stone-look tiles paired with smooth plastered walls create balance between texture and simplicity. Wood accents soften the look of tiled surfaces, while metal and glass add a modern edge. These combinations give the exterior a layered and sophisticated appearance. Tiles in modern exterior architecture. Modern exterior design relies on clean lines, proportion, and simplicity. Large format tiles support this approach by reducing joints and visual clutter. Linear tiles can emphasize horizontal or vertical lines, making the house appear wider or taller. In modern homes, tiles are often used strategically, never excessive, but always intentional. Their role is to support the architecture rather than dominate it. Maintenance, longevity, and value. Beyond beauty, exterior tiles add long-term value to a home. They resist fading, cracking, and staining better than paint. With proper installation, tiled exteriors require minimal maintenance and retain their appearance for many years. This durability makes tiles a cost-effective choice in the long run, especially for homeowners who want a timeless exterior without frequent repairs or repainting. Who want a timeless exterior without frequent repairs or repainting. Tiles in exterior design are more than surface finishes. They are design tools that shape comfort, beauty, and longevity. Through thoughtful choices in texture, color, placement, and material combination, tiles transform ordinary exteriors into refined, welcoming, and durable homes. Thank you for watching our Home Decor Inspiration channel. If you enjoyed this exterior design journey, stay connected for more ideas that help you design homes that truly last.